I'm hosting my first daily activity today. And we're gonna go play hide and seek in IKEA in Slovakia. So let's do that. When I was being explained what type of daily activities we host here, my manager explained this one as an example. I made him stop the meeting to explain it fully because I was almost crying. I was laughing so hard at the thought of it. He said there's no cameras on the entire showroom floor. The Slovaks never care what you do. They don't even look up, and they have never said a word to any of them the multiple times they have done it. Like, what? Challenge freaking accepted. This is gonna be the most random thing we've ever done in our lives.
So random.
It's so random. I'm so excited.
IKEA squad.
IKEA squad, yes. Anthony's out the way. Can you pull the banana out again? The fruit one, the fruit one.
The fruit one.
The fruit one, the fruit one. Hands up. Hands up, don't shoot. Whoa. My other fearless leader. We're leading.
I'm here.
We're leading the IKEA hide and seek.
No idea what's happening.
We got a whole ass squad.
None of us know what's going on.
No, that's the point though. It's time. Scouting out spots. So 2 seekers and then
Does anybody want to seek? Anybody intrigued by that proposition?
I mean, I'll seek. I'll seek, yeah.
One more. Hang on,
Do you know what? I'll see.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Let's do
I'll
it.
seek.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
We got this.
You guys are going? Rachel, you going?
Yeah, we're gonna seek.
We got how many people did we get? 1, 2, 3, 12. We have to find 12 people.
Okay.
We're gonna have to like turn it.
Do you join the Seekers or you just hang out in the restaurant?
I feel like it'd be more fun to join the seekers.
Yeah, join the seekers. Because
So.
it might be like if we're not able to find them, it's probably because they have a good hiding spot. So we need more people to actually look for them.
All right, good plan.
Okay.
Say we give it what? 2 minutes?
2 minutes?
No. Do 5. This is a big
You
one.
5? All right, 5.
You'd be surprised.
Okay.
All right, I will set a timer for 5 minutes.
Let's go.
This is the most random thing I've ever done in my life, and I'm so happy about it. It's so great. Okay. 5 minutes on the timer. And we're just gonna casually look at chill.
I feel like you have some inside knowledge. You've been here before.
I'm not. I have no idea where I'm going. Oh my god. This is already so stressful.
Just put it in the back. I'm sure you're on the top shelf or something.
Yeah, I'm late, so it would work. Okay.
Look, this could be our kitchen.
Here, something that we didn't think about is so we did just see everyone go that way.
That's true.
But like, if someone went that way, we'd never find them because we're gonna automatically go this way to find them.
That's true. Is there like a loop though? It's not like we have a map of this place. They could like go.
There is a map, but like it's not as fun if we get a map. We have to do it.
I'm just not sure if they can go back that way without coming this way. I guess we'll figure that out in 5 minutes though.
It's not bad.
You can sit there.
This is gonna be. Everyone's just like casually shopping for furniture, and we're just like fucking ready.
Okay, so I'm in the closet. I have no idea where anyone is.
It's time. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's go, baby. Trust no one. It's a washing machine. It's fridges. If somebody fits in one, I'm impressed. Nobody's even paying attention to us. It's great. I got you. This is a good one. I almost didn't look under here. I almost did it. That was great. Fuck yeah. I got one. He was really good. That was a really good spot. I was like this, and then I was like, wait. And the best part is like, even though I could barely see who that was, I was like, nobody else is gonna be randomly laying behind a couch right now. At all. You are the first one.
I knew it was gonna happen because it's too far down the line.
No, way too small. Hey.
There's one.
Found
hang on.
Nice, nice in the shower. Good one, good spot. It is a fever dream. And they're looking at us, but they're not saying anything. This is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. There's so many places to look. Oh. I see you back there. I see you. I see you. Yes. Got another one. Yes. Yes.
Don't worry.
We found a few. You're not one of the first ones.
I'm not sure I'm gonna get out.
I'm not sure how you got back there, but that was good. That was good.
That is a really good one.
Yes. Graceful. Perfect. Welcome to the Seeker Squad.
When were you caught?
Just now.
I think you beat me by like 2 seconds.
There's so much to look through.
We're like, that'd be a great hiding spot.
Oh my god, it so would be.
we were like, that'd be a great hiding spot. The giggles came out
Hide
of
in,
it.
hide in the green tube, hide in this. I just see you looking up.
That's amazing.
Little miss.
That was perfect.
That's the best one I've seen.
Yes, I would say so. Most creative. And turned around. Yeah, that would take.
Like, you'd have to ask for help, like, cover me in stuff.
Yes.
Please cover me in stuff. Don't ask any
If
questions.
I was working at somebody said that to me, I'd fucking.
I'd be like, yes, I'm not getting paid enough to not do this.
In all like seriousness, love.
I know, no, this is really cute. Love the vibe.
This is what I want for my
This could be like a studio, like, this is all I would need.
like maybe a darker green on the sofa, but vibes.
Total vibes. Oh, I love the plants.
This is my dream.
Some candles, some incense.
In all seriousness, my dream home.
Focus on the goal. Thing is, I couldn't find the exit right now if I needed to. No idea.
How do we get out?
I have no clue.
It's like a casino, you know? Like, there's
Yes.
no natural light, no clocks anywhere. Like,
You don't need to leave, there's food in the lobby.
Right, exactly. We're
Don't leave.
set.
Have these meatballs on us.
Food, comfort, there's bed if you get too tired trying to get out and get lost. They can't be comfortable after hiding for this long. They've been going for 16 minutes.
Update on the vlog.
We found at least half.
Yeah.
The other half.
Where the fuck are they?
Yeah. Anthony, where were you? Where were you?
Me, I was in the closet.
I checked so many closets. So many closets.
I'd like vault over again to get to that.
That was a good one.
There was like
That was
kids
good.
bouncing on it at one point. I'm like, oh god. This is how it ends.
IKEA brand beer. That's like the most Slovakian thing I've heard. There's
Yeah,
definitely.
can I get one of the dark lager beers? Surely the other IKEA hide and seekers found the beer.
I'm pretty sure we
IKEA
don't get
brand
to
beer.
I'm pretty sure we don't get to experience it, but the bottle cap was also trying to sell you an IKEA bottle opener. Unfortunately, she removed all the bottle caps for us.
Where were you?
He found me on accident.
No, I was
Wow.
on purpose on accident.
Wow.
On purpose on accident.
I was just surprised there was someone there back there. I was like, why is this ironing board here? And there's a perfectly good ironing spot.
You won.
I'm the one. What? I didn't think anyone.
Where were you?
In the children's apartment under the bed.
I swore I checked there. I guess I
Did
didn't.
anyone get close to fighting you?
No, not at all.
Just the children.
Just the children.
Bro, I was under my bed as well. There were kids jumping up and down. I was like, oh, this is how I die.
I want to get back to like the rooms area. Our time to hide. I don't think I want to hide under a bed either. I was thinking maybe behind like a curtain.
Yeah.
I feel like that would be like the most comfortable. I can't believe I forgot about that other guy. It is hard to keep.
I brought him here and I was talking to him the whole way here. And I just forgot.
I saw you coming and I was just like, it's over. It was so hard to not breathe. Busted. I was like, this is probably the most comfortable spot I could find. It wasn't you guys, and I'm just like, if they pull back this curtain, I'm gonna just die. I love how much no one cares at all. It's the super casual elevator music playing in the background for me. As the store started getting more and more crowded, more of us started getting caught by random families and kids, so even though that was hilarious, we decided to call our second game a little sooner than the first. I'd say this was such a success. Killed it.